Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix overheating warning during charging on Black Shark gaming tablet. First of all, remove the case. Try removing the case. That may improve heat dissipation on your tablet, and then you'll be able to just fix that issue, right? If that didn't help, then try using a different cable or charger, because some generic and genuine chargers may cause overheating to your tablet. The other thing is to keep your tablet away from like heat sources and just hot places, definitely away from the sun, especially if it's charging. Also that you should never put your tablet under your pillow if you're going to sleep, or under the duvet or whatever. Just you shouldn't put it under something. It needs to have air to like not to burn basically. And one more thing is that it often may like the issues may often occur if you're charging and using the tablet at the same time. So I would recommend not playing games on the tablet as it's charging, because it may actually cause your tablet to overheat and even break. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.